Just like to share this testimonial concerning the tooth powder, which has been made by the Wave Foundation. I was introduced to the product by Mr. Forgini, and I decided to purchase it because my daughter had she had an issue with her front teeth where they had came up fallen out as a young child, and they never grew back. So I decided let me try it and see what happened. And she started using the tooth powder. And what I could say is that within about the first 3 months of using it, we noticed that front teeth that would had never grew back started to grow. And after like around 6 months of using it, she now had fully developed teeth. I don't know what sort of magic that was, but her teeth came out fully. And since then, she's been up to mark in that area. So I definitely could recommend the tooth powder, based on my personal experience with my daughter and the fact that it did something that no other product was able to do for her in terms of her dental.